Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm again back with gold and crude oil analysis for the coming week. So, as I told in the last week analysis, I said that gold is in bullish trend and the daily trend line support was not broken. So same way it is traveling in above this daily trend line. Also the high was broken and it is sustaining. So next support we can take as latest high around 1829, and I am telling as per dollar because some global viewers also there, so you can convert into your own currency. And anything closing above this 1820 1830, we can expect rally towards 1866. So this week we might find some difficulty in rally because today only our equity have broken and sustaining in upside, so we can find some difficulty in gold rally. But any some bad news comes and equity crashes worldwide, Dow or Nifty or some other indices worldwide markets are weak, then we can possibly it can rally towards after breaking 1830 it can rally towards 1860-70, and any breaking closing below this trend line, this previous low 1793, then it can crash towards the support 1740, and next support 1684. This may not be happen because markets are already in the rally mode, and already it is discounting, markets equity are discounting, and maybe because of some vaccine news or coming from last 2-3 days from many companies, somewhat markets are sustaining and trying to go upside, but it may not sustain upside, and mostly it will be in range bound only, and they won't crash also, otherwise we get very bad news and all. So this is the gold, guys. And about crude oil, I told last week the trend line was broken and mostly below this. I'm saying in Indian currency, and you can convert, mostly the worldwide charts will be same. So anything below 2800 and 2700, these are strong support, and below that we can come towards this trend line, this GAN support towards 2300, and it is going sideways. So anything closing above 3100 can test towards 3200, and after breaking this strong resistance, we can see good rally in oil maybe next week or coming days. Only if closes above 3200, it can go towards 3800. As equity are sustaining, we may see some rally towards the upside in crude oil, and some range bound to downside in gold, and below this GAN trend line 2900, next support we can see around 2740, and next strong support around 2360 and 2200. So these are the analysis for coming week, guys. Please like, share, subscribe for more. Thank you so much.